I be blowing up like some Pyros. Coupe 150, call it Cairo.
How's it going, everyone? It is 4:24. That clock is fast, but we are going to be heading to Victory Fireworks to pick up the 2 cases we did on the poll. So thanks to everyone that participated in the poll and helping me choose 2 cases on a budget to buy, and it came down to Running Scared and Fireworks Fiesta. So that's what we're going to pick up. We're going to come back and we're going to do some unboxing. Second home, Victory Fireworks. Let's see what it is. All right. Right, here it is. We got Running Scared, and we got the Fireworks Fiesta down there. So yeah, I guess they're expanding, so this place is gonna get bigger, which means more fireworks. So until next time, we pick up another load. What's up, guys? We're back with the unboxing. We got Running Scared here, 48 shots, 4-1, and I'm excited to see the artwork on this. By the time you guys are watching this, hey, maybe it's Halloween. We're gonna open up this box and then we're gonna get into the other case. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. The 2020 version up here, and brothers, your partner of choice. Brothers logo right here, Running Scared. Let's get to the unboxing. Oops. Perfect. Let's open this up. They give you this paper. This is like FR, probably. Set that aside. All right, let's take a look at this. Running Scared. Oh, here comes the Pyro Cat. Running Scared. So we're gonna open up and see what kind of pattern they got, but first let's take the box out. All right, now we can take a look at it. So it's very long cake, and the size from top to bottom, if I had a measuring tape, but yeah, that's how it sits. Compare it to my knife. So pretty cool. We're gonna see what the pattern's looking like. But actually, you guys should check out this performance. If you guys didn't see the demo yet, I encourage you guys to see the demo from China, but we will definitely get you a demo from my point of view as well. So let's open this up carefully. Looks like I need 2 hands for this, but okay, so popping the lid, it is a fan cake. I didn't even realize that this thing's got an angle. I'm excited for this cake. Definitely excited. So we're probably gonna have to shoot it this way. Yeah, there's a fuse, so you wanna shoot it just like this. And here we go, Pyro Cat. Checking out the new Firework, yes sir. So yeah, about an inch. there we have it. All right, so here's all 4, and here is a small pumpkin for comparison. All right, let's get the other case out. And this is gonna be my first Black Cat case, I believe. I've shot a lot of Black Cat. It's been around forever. And that used to be the stand up the street from my house when I was little, but yeah, we're gonna open this up. This is Fireworks Fiesta, Black Cat, White Cat. Yeah, we're gonna open it up. It's a 96 shot. Looks like they got some holes in this case, but that's okay. It's packaged 12-1, and this cake I wanted because it's got all these mines, and they go one by one, and they look awesome. The color looks great. The effects, I think there's some crackling mines in there. Shoots out like a 1-1 fan cake that you would get for like a couple $100 for just one of those. So you get 12, and that's why I got that. I don't know how high it's gonna go pairing this up with any firework and doing it in any show is gonna make it that much better with this cake. So I was using the wrong knife with ridges, so switching to this knife. Pyrotechnics gonna watch me unbox this. All right, let's pop the lid. Very small tubes. But like I said, if you guys see the demo on this, you guys are gonna be impressed. I haven't shot it in person yet, but you can already kind of tell. Look at this thing. Nice rainbow artwork here. The infamous Black Cat logo. And you're supposed to shoot it just like this. That's where the fuse is. So boom, 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 boom. Sprinkler effect all the way down here. Some finales. So I'm gonna be excited to shoot this. Stay tuned for the demo. And you know, maybe even pair this up with a running scared. See how it does. So you have the fan effect going in. Oh, there you go. Place this side towards audience. Yeah, so pair this up with running scared, and you can have a mid-level and a high level, assuming these go pretty high for consumer anyway. So that'd be a nice thing to do, to give you guys a demo on that. So yeah, 12 of these bad boys. All right, I think that's it. I'm gonna end the video off here. Stay tuned for the upcoming footage. Check me out on Instagram and TikTok as well if you guys want some other, maybe some unseen footage as well. But until next time, we'll see you later.